Hi everybody, we got a 2007 Toyota Tundra here with a 5.7 liter and we are doing the starter on it. Actually, we just finished it up and I was reading on a lot of forums and on YouTube it was showing that you either have to remove the exhaust manifold or pull the motor mounts to replace the starter, because the starter is tucked in right behind this heat shield and the exhaust manifold. See if I can get some light in there. You can just barely see some glint of the new starter. Well, while we were working on it, we removed this heat shield, which you have to do for any which way that you do it. And it was pretty tight, but there's two bolts. There's one at the top behind this exhaust manifold, and there's one at the bottom here. We struggled with those bolts quite a bit, but the guy that's helping me, he saw this dipstick there, and he said, well, what if we remove that? So here on the bottom, you get a better look at the starter. There's the starter and where the dipstick comes down. It's really tight with this exhaust manifold, the frame here. But this, if you remove the dipstick, the starter actually fell right out of this hole. So the hardest part will be your heat shield and the two mounting bolts on the starter. So hopefully that saves a lot of people time. I know on the forums I was reading, it said 4 to 6 hours either way you do it. Here I think if you had a rust-free truck, maybe an hour or two if you knew what you're doing. So hopefully that saves people a lot of time. Thanks for watching.